Good news, guys. If you're not getting views, engagements, and subscribers on your channel, then means YouTube is not suggesting or recommending your videos to people to watch. So the good news here is that YouTube just rolled out a brand new feature that will help small creators to make them recommend their videos. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step on how to turn on this feature on your channel, so that YouTube can start recommending your videos to people. Of course, when YouTube is recommending your videos, you are getting more views, all right? So if you are tired of posting without views, without engagement, then means this video is for you, all right? So if this is the first time I'm seeing my face, hello, my name is Grace, and you're welcome to my channel. Over here, I share tricks and strategy for you to get your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and get your channel monetized. So if these are the videos that you would like to watch, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the very first to get notified that I've posted a new video. So if you're struggling to get views and engagement on your channel after posting the videos, then you need to watch this video. I'm going to be sharing with you step by step on how to turn on this new feature or on how to use this new feature so that you can get your videos recommended to wider audience. All right, so without wasting your time, I'm going to be taking you through a scripted video and share with you step by step, guys. Let's go. So the first place you need to check is your YouTube Studio dashboard. Check this place if everything is turned on your channel. So for you to check it, click on these settings here. Now if you don't know how to get to your YouTube Studio dashboard, go to my channel and watch videos. I have already made a video on how for you to get to YouTube Studio dashboard. All right, so you click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, now they are going to bring you to an interface like this where you see your general channel and everything. Click on your channel. Okay, click on channel. Once you click on channel, you come to your right. Once you come to your right, you see advanced setting and feature eligibility. Click on this feature eligibility. Click on the feature eligibility. Once you click on it, you see standard features, intermediate feature, and the rest of the things. Make sure these three places are turned on, okay, because YouTube works with this place as well. If this place in your YouTube Studio dashboard is not turned on, YouTube is not recommending your video. YouTube will not recommend your videos to people to watch. All right, so make sure you come here and turn on this place. If you don't know how to turn it on, I've already made a video on my channel. Just check my videos, you will see how to turn on these places, every single place, both your advanced settings, the keywords, and everything that you need to input on this place. Now let's go to the main place I'm going to be sharing with you. So the main place you're looking at is your YouTube Studio dashboard. So come to your YouTube Studio dashboard. This is where the main place is. All right, so come to your YouTube Studio dashboard and click on analytics. All right, once you click on analytics, now you see this place that they wrote your weekly recap is here. Now you need to know the performance of your previous videos. Do you understand how your video performs, how people turned into your channel, the kind of videos they watched on your channel, so that you will keep doing those videos, because the videos that those people are watching are the videos that you will be doing, so that YouTube can keep recommending those videos to those people. That is the trick here. All right, so go ahead and click on it. All right, now once you click on it, say here is what you got up to last week. So come here and click on your weekly performance every single week and know the videos that people are watching. Now let's go. Let's slide it. Now they say 365 people tuned into you. Do you understand? That's 365 people tuned into my channel. Do you understand? Now let's go to the last slide again. Now they said this search is leads people to you. Do you understand? Airtel code, Airtel data package, how to get free data on Airtel. Now these are videos that I've done on my channel, and that is not the niche I am dwelling with. My niche, my original niche is how to grow on YouTube. Do you understand? So do you know why I'm getting wrong audience like this? Is because this is not the niche I was dwelling on initially, because I was growing my channel. I needed to get subscribers very fast to get monetized. That's why I was dwelling on this niche. But now I've gotten my subscribers and got my channel monetized. I have to switch. I have to stay on the niche that I plan to. Do you understand? So now let's go to the other one. So but you, if you're in that same niche and you find out that the videos that people are tuning into is what you are doing on your channel, go ahead, continue doing them. Search for the hashtag you use, search for every single word, the description, everything you use. Do similar videos concerning those videos. Do you understand? That is the trick here. So now let's go to the next slide. Now this one said this is what they watched. Now you need to know what people are watching on your channel. Do you understand? Now once they come, now they also state to watch your videos. Now this is what they watched on my channel. Codes to get cheaper data from Airtel, fastest way to get 1,000 subscribers using Chrome, how to fix step 2 error in YouTube AdSense. Guys, these videos are very important if you want to grow on YouTube and if you want to monetize your channel. So go ahead and check or look for the videos that people are watching on your channel. Now what I need to dwell on is how to grow on YouTube. Now, how to get 1,000 subscribers. This video alone, this how to get 1,000 subscribers gave me over 1,000 subscribers on my channel. So I need to do videos that will make people to get that 1,000 subscribers. That is when I will make videos. You see, I'm seeing this now, so I have to dwell on that. I have to go and check for the hashtag and everything I used on that particular video, so that I will keep using them to get more subscribers and get more views on this YouTube channel. So this is the trick here. Every week, come to your channel and check for the videos people watched most on your channel. Do similar videos so that YouTube algorithm will push it out to them. Now let's go to the next slide. Now, people didn't just watch, they interacted. I got 21 likes last week and 6 shares. I got 9 comments. Do you understand? La I got I got this amount last month. Do you understand? So this is how important this place is. Always check this place and know what you are doing on YouTube. Do you understand? Now let's go to the next slide. Now, if you are monetized, YouTube is going to share with you or show you how much you earned last month. So this is a page for people that are monetized. Or as for me that are monetized, they also showed me how much I earned, so that you know, say, how much did I earn last month? You'll be wondering, or you'll be thinking, no, YouTube has already broken down to you what you earned last month. I mean last week. Do you understand? So if you are monetized, they're still going to show you how much you've earned last week. All right, let's go to the next slide. Now let's play a game. Now they will have to play a game. You choose the video that you think that performed most on your channel. Just pick anyone. Let's just try this one. Let me say this one, and you now say I got it. Do you understand? So this is the video that performed most on my channel. So play this game with them. Check for the video that performed most or more on your channel. Then keep up uploading those videos. Do you understand? On your channel. Do you understand? The trick here is to get the idea of what people watched most on your channel. Do you understand? Because if people watch your videos, or if there are particular people that are watching your videos, YouTube will recommend your videos to them, and they will keep watching. They will keep watching your videos. Do you understand? And the more people are watching, the more YouTube will push it out to more audience. That's why I said that you should go and turn on those places that I've showed before on the eligibility stuff there on your YouTube Studio dashboard before you come over here to check for all these features. All right, so now let's go to the last slide. Now this is the last slide, which says check back next week. So do you see, every week come to this place and check for videos that people tune into your channel to watch, then do similar videos. Okay, so every week tune into this your weekly recap page and check for the videos that people are watching more on your channel, so that you'll be able to get subscribers and views on your channel. Do you understand? So hope this video was helpful. It is was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified that I've posted a new video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.